Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a budget on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. I'm not going to waste too much time on this one, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Simple account using your email address and your password. So go on to Simple's website, or you could choose to do that on the Simple mobile app. Just log into your accounts, and then once you're logged in, you're going to click on the budget button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you're in, you're going to select create a budget from the drop down menu. And next, you can go ahead and enter your income. And then you're going to enter your expenses, such as the rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, whatever. Go ahead and put that in, and then you'll be able to set budget goals, such as saving for a emergency fund or for paying off debt. You can just set that up right there. So that's pretty much it on how to set up a budget on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next.